So I just wanted to show you how you can get into Google Classroom for the first time. I've now set up Google Classroom accounts for all my children in Dosbarth Enfys, and I'll be sending you a message on the school app showing you what the username and password would be. So all you do then, once you've set up, and I'm going to choose a new account. And my name is Enfys Pupil. I just set up a sample account just to show you at kaigarrow.co.uk. There we go. And my password is pupil123. You can ask you then if you can say welcome to your new account, just press accept. Then up here then you will see your first initial in a little circle. So I'm called Enfys Pupil. And then you have this little waffle grid. If you click on there then and click on Classroom, then it catches up with us. Click on Continue. Pick which role you are, so you're a student. So it's saying here, obviously, you've got no existing classes. Up here then, there's a little plus button. Click on that to join your first class. And your teacher then will assign you your code. So that's where you put in your class code. So once you've put that code in, it'll bring you to this screen because that code is specifically for Dosbarth Enfys, our class. And as you can see, I have posted a new assignment called Healthy Living. And on this thread then, if you've got any questions, you can put it in here and ask, and it'll alert me then that I've got sort of something to come back to. I'd love to see all the work. It's also a really good way of communicating with me because if you're struggling with anything, please don't hesitate to get in touch and I will help you wherever I can. So that's a little introduction to Dosbarth Enfys' Google Classroom. As I say, I will put details of what their username and password will be on the school app for us all. And I would love it if you could just log in and just give me a wave, just to see that you've seen it. And then it's much easier then for us to communicate. So take care. Hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.